Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within corporate filings. Today we're diving into a report that seems pretty straightforward, but sometimes the most interesting stories are in the smallest changes. Before we dive in, if you love getting plain language insights into what is really going on with public companies, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to connect with a community of like-minded investors and share your thoughts, join our Discord server. The link is in the description below. Alright, on the 28th of October 2025, Innovative Solutions and Support Incorporated, also known as Innovative Error Systems, dropped a Form 8K. Now, an 8K is typically used to announce major corporate events that shareholders should know about right away. Think big news that could move the stock price. So, what was so important that it warranted an immediate filing? Well, it looks like the company announced a change to its leadership team. Specifically, they added a new member to their board of directors. This isn't a company that trades on a major exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, but its common stock is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker symbol ISC. That means investors are watching this company. The core of this report is about a change at the very top. The board of directors, which is like the group of people in charge of overseeing the company, decided to add a new member. They actually increased the size of the board to 7 people. This new director, Richard Silfen, is joining right away. He'll serve until the company holds its next shareholder meeting, or until a new director is chosen, or if he leaves earlier for any reason. Essentially, he is on board for the foreseeable future. So, who is this new director? Mr. Silfen comes from the world of finance, specifically as General Counsel for Hildred Capital Management, LLC. This is a New York City-based private equity firm that focuses on companies in the healthcare industry. Private equity firms often look for ways to improve businesses they invest in. Before his current role, Mr. Silfen had a very extensive legal career. For about 10 years, he was a partner at Duane Morris LP, a large international law firm. He was a co-chair of their mergers and acquisitions department. That means he has a lot of experience with companies buying other companies or selling themselves, which is crucial for understanding growth and strategic moves. His track record shows he has handled a lot of big deals. He's been involved in buying and selling businesses, combining them, and also raising money for companies, especially those backed by private equity and publicly traded ones. This kind of experience is exactly what a board needs when making big decisions about the company's future. Now, this is an important point. The board has officially declared Mr. Silfen an independent director. This means he doesn't have any business ties or financial interests that could obviously sway his decisions in a way that benefits him personally, rather than the company and its shareholders overall. They've also made it clear there are no family ties between Mr. Silfen and anyone already in leadership at Innovative Solutions and Support. This further supports his independent status, and importantly, he doesn't seem to have any personal stake in any past or current company deals that need to be reported. Like other directors who aren't full-time employees, Mr. Silfen will be compensated for his service. The details of how directors get paid were laid out in an earlier filing, so this appointment doesn't come with a brand new pay structure. Beyond the director appointment itself, the company also used this filing to mention that they released a press release about this news on the same day, the 28th of October 2025. This press release, which is attached as an exhibit to this filing, is essentially the company shouting this news from the rooftops. It is likely filled with positive language about Mr. Silfen's qualifications and how his addition will benefit the company. It is basically the official announcement. This last section just lists out all the documents that are part of this filing. It includes the press release we just talked about and something called a cover page interactive data file, which is basically data in a format that computers can easily read, used for reporting purposes. And finally, the report is signed by Jeffrey DiGiovanni, the Chief Financial Officer. This confirms that the company's finance chief has reviewed and approved this information. Now, looking at this report, it is a pretty clean and simple announcement. The main story here is the addition of Richard Silfen to the board of directors. His background in mergers and acquisitions and his current role in private equity suggest a focus on strategic growth and potentially improving the company's financial performance. His independence is also a positive sign, as it means he is expected to act in the best interest of all shareholders. What is interesting, or maybe what is not in this report, is that there aren't any major financial results being discussed. This isn't a 10Q or 10K where we'd see deep dives into revenue, profit, or debt. This 8K is purely about a governance change. However, the fact that they're bringing someone with M&A and private equity experience onto the board could signal future strategic moves. Perhaps they're looking to make an acquisition, or maybe they're preparing to be acquired themselves. Or it could simply mean they want to strengthen their oversight and strategic planning capabilities. The company has established stock on Nasdaq, so bringing on experienced directors is a prudent move for long-term health and investor confidence. So, What is my take on this? Innovative Solutions and Support Inc. is making a deliberate move to strengthen its board with someone who knows how to navigate complex corporate transactions. This isn't a sign of immediate crisis or a boom time. It is more like adding a skilled player to the management team's playbook. It suggests a forward-looking strategy, but without any financial data to back it up, it is hard to say if it is a slam dunk or just a solid defensive maneuver. The key risk here is always execution. Bringing in smart people is one thing, but ensuring those people can effectively guide the company is another. The opportunity, of course, is the potential for significant growth or improved financial standing through mergers, acquisitions, or strategic partnerships that Mr. Silfan's expertise might unlock. Alright, that is our breakdown of Innovative Solutions and Support Inc. Its latest filing. What do you think this new director means for the company's future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, it really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Also, check out the Discord link in the description to join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.